Don't you love when a crystal tells you exactly what it does by just what it looks like? Caribbean calcite is the crystal that is kind of hard to get, but if you can get a piece, you want it. This is about tranquility. It looks like the beach, and not all of us can get to the beach, but just holding this makes you feel like you are in a relaxed state. You're getting the good ions from the ocean, and you're able to just breathe and calm down. This is a must-have if you're a crystal collector. It is absolutely gorgeous. A simple technique is to get this point, put it over your heart, and really go to that place within yourself that you want to emit. Relaxation, calming, tranquility. And what I like to do is I will tap the crystal at my chest. I am calm. I am calm. I am calm. And then just kind of take a moment, breathe it in, and say it again. I am